Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Natalie and I am a CNC owner. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the CNC owner tag, and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to do this tag since forever. And well, today I was like, you know what am I gonna film today? And I was like, I think it's time for my CNCO tag. So here we are, and I'm also going to be doing my Honeyboo look. Honeyboo is a new single that will be coming out on April 3rd. They just released their cover photo for the song, and so I'm very inspired by it, so that's the look I'm going to be doing today. I can't wait to hear it already, you guys. Like, it already sounds so good, and it's featuring Natti Natasha, you guys. Like, she is a queen. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you guys the makeup look and answering some questions, and maybe you guys can have that look el 3 de abril. 3 de abril. If you guys saw the live, you will understand. Before we get started, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera because I just take super long. Okay, so I'm gonna take my P. Louise base. So before I start with the questions, I want to tell you guys a little bit about me. So I'm very girly, and well, you guys, I'm a fangirl. It's kind of bad. I'm a fan of CNCO, Prince Royce, and RBD. So the first shade I'm taking is this purple one, and I'm using my Morphe 35B palette. I also love makeup, you guys. I love to do makeup. That is a big thing about me. Maybe because I'm girly, you know, I obviously love makeup. So the first question is, ¿Desde cuándo eres CNC owner? So, yo soy CNC owner desde el principio. I've seen them grow, you guys, since the beginning, literally. From La Banda. From the auditions, let me tell you. It's crazy how much they've achieved. I'm such a proud fan, you guys, because I've seen them grow. I don't know if I should wing it out. Maybe a little bit. Question is, ¿de dónde apoyas? Desde Victorville, California. Yay! The next color I'm taking is this one. I'm placing this one right above the purple. Okay, so I know it looks crazy right now, but I promise it will turn out good. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the other pink that was in there, the hot pink. The next question is, ¿Quién es mi favorito? Mi favorito, obviamente, es el chamaquito de Puerto Rico.
Ahora llegó el chamaquito de Puerto Rico. Ya tú sabes, está muy rico. Él llegó el chamaco de Puerto Rico.
My favorite is Zabdiel. I love him so much, you guys. He's so, like, sincere and genuine. It's just Zabdiel, and I love that about him. I'm gonna take this pink, and I'm gonna blend it all out. Comment down below if you're part of Zabdiel's lane. And so now I'm gonna take some concealer with a flat brush. And well, there are some clouds in the view, so I want to recreate that. Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking, you guys. It's coming out pretty cute though. Does that look like a cloud? I'm gonna take off some of the eyeshadow just so I won't have like the purple in my concealer. Some kids are screaming outside. Voy a ponerme más concealer. Tengo este mejor labial seguro, mami. ¿Quiénes somos? CNCO. Okay, so I actually went over it with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil because it wasn't white enough since I had used concealer. Okay, so voy a usar este de aquí. It's a white shade. This is actually super cute. Oh my gosh, how come I haven't done this before? I'm gonna take some more of that purple I had used. CNCO, CNCO in the building. CNCO, CNCO in the building. I literally have that stuck in my head. And so the same way I did on the top, I'm gonna kind of create like that ombre. It's not just like a harsh light, you know? I put some purple and then I put some of that lighter purple or like that pink purple, then that pink, and then the lighter pink. This is so cute, you guys. I need to start doing more creative looks. So I'm actually adding some orange, some pastel orange from my 35 Icy palette. Only because, you know, we need some orange in here. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. I'm gonna make some eyeliner with concealer and then I'm going to cover with a different color. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm going to clean this up. Oh my gosh, it's already creasing. Like, who gave you permission? You guys are probably thinking like, why am I erasing all of this? Trust the process. Me avisa cuando tú quieras. Haré como si no existiera. Tal vez es pasión. Verte sin condición, calmar esta adicción, llama al amor. The next one is canción favorita. Mi canción favorita, it's kind of like in between La Ley and No Me Sueltes. I love both of them. Like, I don't even think I can choose between them. I'll never get tired of either one. Like, those are the type of songs that I can't just listen to once. Like, I have to replay it.
Hoy rompo la ley por ti. Si me miras así, me atrevo a robarte los besos que no te da a ti.
Okay, so now that we have this, I'm gonna take this orange. Okay guys, so I kind of changed the look a little bit. I put some more orange right here, and I'm gonna take this yellow from the Prison palette from Anastasia. And well, I changed it because I realized that the yellow is a big part of the color story, so I'm gonna do yellow instead. Si pudieras ser uno de ellos, ¿quién serías? I feel like I'd like to be Christopher or Joel. One of those, because their life is pretty interesting. ¿Cuál es tu video musical favorito? Maybe Hey DJ with Meghan Trainor, because that part with Eric is so funny. La Ley isn't official music video, but I really like that one. The live sessions. La Ley, that one is so good. Pegao would have been good if there wasn't that many kisses in it. Like, what was that about? Okay, so I feel like I need some black liners, so I'm gonna do like an outline, a little graphic liner moment. Maybe I'm putting a little bit too much detail into this look. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Or I can probably put some glitter. Yeah, that sounds better. I couldn't like not do my eyeliner, you guys. I need it. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade 24 karat gold. Like a cute little moment. Maybe like around the clouds too. And now I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Así que dale boom boom, apaga la luz. Okay guys, so I finally finished the eyes. So my eyeliner, I messed it up, you guys. So I had to put gold around it. And then I threw on some lashes. And I already put the, like a greenish, bluish. You know. Now, I'm gonna do my face. You guys, it's already 8 o'clock. This look took way too long. Am I ever gonna do this again? Probably. Next question is, ¿qué es lo que más te gusta del grupo? Creo que lo que más me gusta es que no les da miedo ser ellos. Ay no, son unos locos, literally. Pero por eso los quiero. Because they're themselves, you know, and they're not afraid. Like, even if cameras are around, no, they're still the same. Of course, I love their music, and I love that each one has their little something that makes it so good. ¿Qué es lo que más te gusta de ser CNCOWNER? A mí me gusta que puedo apoyar a estos 5 chicos tan hermosos, tan talentosos. Honestly, like, they are the best. I don't care what anyone has to say about it. Y tu cuerpo me va seduciendo. Que la repito otra vez, pa' bailar contigo otra vez. Sobre la arena, tu piel canela, entramos en calor. Vale la pena, contigo nena, se pasa mejor. Hay algo en ti que me arrebata, bata. Baby, tú me tienes loco, loco. La música que le gusta, una para que se mueva y se luzca y baile conmigo, solo conmigo. Hey, hey DJ. Shout out to Annie Ruiz because she commented a question on my CNCO inspired makeup video. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch it. I will leave it down below in the description box. And well, she said, do you have a second favorite and have you ever been to a concert? My second favorite is Joel, of course. He is my cheat lane. And have I ever been to a concert? A CNCO concert? No. But I have been to a concert before, and that was a Prince Royce concert and an RBD concert. And thank you for asking the question. So that leads me to the next question, which is, ¿has tenido una experiencia con CNCO? Y no, because I've never met them, I've never gone to a concert. Like, it's sad. I'm like the biggest fan and I've never gone to see them, which sucks. The only experience I've had is online. The first time I ever had an experience of online was on Twitter. One time they retweeted my tweet and well, that was special. The second time was a video I posted on TikTok. And I did not think they were going to ever repost it. It was so unexpected. I didn't even think they would see it, you know. And so one day I checked my phone. I was at school, you guys. I have a whole video. I'll probably insert it here somewhere, maybe. And well, I was at school and CNCO literally posted me. What? I'm so happy. Can't believe they reposted it. I still can't believe it. He saw it. He had to. I mean, he had to see it, right? I can be happy now because CNCO noticed me and he had to see me. He had to. Comment down below if you saw me on CNCO's story because I was on there. So yeah, that was a pretty cool experience. And recently, Zabdiel, my baby, you know, he liked my tweet. And it's kind of weird because I commented on the CNCO comment. I was watching Los Premios and it was just my reaction, you know, oh my gosh, CNCO won, yay, something like that. And Zabdiel liked it, but I didn't tag him. You know, it makes me feel kind of special, you know? Is it a sign? I have no idea. Hopefully. What if he was stalking me? I'll be happy. Next question is, ¿cuál fue la última canción que escuchaste de CNCO? And it was Pegao. I'm literally listening to it right now. Lady, tú me tienes enamorada. Solo ven y cámbiame la suerte. No sé qué tiene que me enamora. Now I'm gonna contour my face a little bit with this one. La siguiente pregunta es, ¿canción favorita de Primera Cita? The album. Creo que mi canción favorita de Primera Cita va a ser Tu Luz. Y después No Entiendo. Canción favorita de CNCO. The album. There's so many good ones. I love them all. The CNCO album, it has to be No Me Sueltes. It's my #1 song. It's so underrated too. And then from Que Quienes Somos, La Ley. Period. Favorite interview. Favorite interview, I think it has to be the lie detector test. The one where they're reading the tweets. Oh, that one is so funny.
He's salty? Salty? Oh my god. Because...
¿Cuál otra me gusta? I like all of them, you guys. Their interviews are so funny. If you guys are not fans, I think you guys will enjoy the interviews still because they're so funny. I like I think it was a song game. They had to guess what song it was. I was laughing about it today. Christopher and Eric, they started singing I Want It That Way.
I nothing right. Hey, baby, come on. Tell me why. Ain't nothing right at all. Tell me why. We're bad at this.
Yeah, we suck at this.
It started when I look in her eyes, I go close and I'm like...
That's your song.
It started when I look in her eyes, I go close and I'm like... Hey, that's our song. That's our song, bro.
It's so entertaining.
Really? So, when I used to cry, I used to say ging ging.
So when
It's like, they used to call me Caballito Azul, which is a blue horse, because I used to have a little blue horse. We didn't know this. Yeah, we didn't know this.
When I used to be like little, like maybe 3 years or maybe 4 years, because I wanted to eat meat, I would say Coco. I just say Coco. That's it. Like if I say Coco, my mom knew that I wouldn't like.
You want to eat meat at 3 years
weird.
old?
Yeah, like, Coco.
no,
And
but calling
she
me
told
Coco is different.
Like CNCO is so funny, you guys. That's something I love about them too. Especially Christopher. His laugh just does it. Okay, and then funniest CNCO moment.
Nah, pues ninguno.
Uno que se me viene a la mente ahorita es cuando a Zabdiel se le cayó la cartera en el hielo. Next, I'm gonna take my blush. This is Milani Luminoso. De lunes a lunes yo te quiero junto a mí. Contigo siempre me acelera como si nada. Mi corazón boom boom con cada mirada. Es que señorita, ¿qué fue lo que me dice? No sé. Kimi o ahí si soy yo. Definitely need some highlighters, so I'm gonna take this one from Maybelline. Okay, so I'm gonna take some on my nose. And this is gonna give the illusion that I have a small nose, because you're gonna be staring at the center. I'm gonna take some of that one. It's so cute. Even with the little headband, it's so cute, you guys. I added some orange in the waterline. I feel like that's what this look was missing. I hope you can see it now. Like, you know, the inspiration. I don't know, it looks too purple, I think. But I tried to, you know, incorporate the color story of Honeyboo. And well, yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I don't know if I should take this off or leave them on. I think I should leave them on because my hair is a mess. If you guys want to see my other CNCO videos and my reaction videos, then they will be in the description box. And my social medias will also be linked down below if you guys want to go follow me. So yeah, that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see more CNCO videos and more makeup videos, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you've been a CNC owner since the beginning. I would really like to know. And well, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Yo haría más que eso.